there, folks! So, you think the biggest rivalry is between your neighbor's cat and the squirrels in his backyard? Think again. Today, we're talking about the epic showdown between the United States and China. And no, it's not about kung fu movies or fast food chains. It's all about electric cars. Yep, that's the new battleground. And in this corner, we have Xiaomi going head-to-head with Tesla. Let's kick things off with the basics. Tesla, the brand that gave us cars that practically drive themselves and doors that open like spaceships, has been struggling a bit in China lately. And that's when Xiaomi, a brand you probably know for making your affordable smartphone, decided, hey, why not make cars too? Sounds crazy, right? But here's the deal. Xiaomi didn't just stop at making the cheapest phone you could find on Amazon. Nope, they're aiming for the car market too. And they're not messing around. Xiaomi's built this super factory in Beijing that's cranking out a new car every 76 seconds. That's faster than it takes you to find a matching pair of socks in the morning. How are they doing it? With robots, tons of them. Over 700 robot arms and gadgets that never call in sick, never ask for a raise, and definitely don't need bathroom breaks. Meanwhile, you're still trying to remember to turn off the oven. So, what's rolling out of this insane factory? The SU7, a sleek electric sedan that's taking aim at the Tesla Model 3. It's basically Xiaomi saying, move over, Elon. We're here to party. And let's not forget, if you're already hooked into the Xiaomi phone ecosystem, you'll probably be able to start the car with your phone, or maybe even tell it to order your takeout. Who knows? Now, you might be thinking, but Tesla's a giant. Are they just gonna roll over? Short answer, nope. Tesla's feeling the heat, though. China is a huge market for electric vehicles, and Tesla's been losing ground there. Meanwhile, Xiaomi's jumping in like that kid in Dodgeball who was on the sidelines but suddenly found a chance to take out the star player. But this isn't just a car fight, it's a full-blown trade war. The US and China have been throwing tariffs and sanctions at each other like it's a game of dodgeball, and Xiaomi's entry into the EV space is just another jab. The message is clear. China isn't just about cheap knockoffs anymore. They're playing to win. And let's be real, this competition is actually great news for you and me. More players in the game means more options, more features, and maybe, just maybe, the prices that won't make you sell your kidney to buy a new ride. Or maybe not, because let's face it, electric cars still aren't exactly cheap. Back to Xiaomi, they're showing the world that China isn't just copying stuff. They're creating new tech that's giving the West a serious run for its money. The factory in Beijing, it's basically a robot wonderland. And if they keep up this pace, Xiaomi could become one of the biggest car brands in China. And don't be surprised if they start shipping these cars to the US someday soon too. So, what's the bottom line here? 1. Tesla's got to step up if it wants to keep the crown. 2. Xiaomi's not here to play games. They want to be the new star in electric vehicles. 3. You, my friend, will soon have a lot more options to choose from. Whether you want a car that drives itself or one that'll just play your Spotify playlist like a champ. But here's a little nugget to chew on. Xiaomi's not just looking to compete, they're also showing that Chinese manufacturing isn't just about quantity anymore. It's about quality. It's a clear message that China wants to be the top dog in tech, and they're not shy about it. And let's be honest, while the politicians are busy throwing tariffs around like confetti, the rest of us are just hoping that one of these companies will make an electric car that doesn't cost more than a mortgage payment. Hey, dream big, right? Anyway, if you thought this video was at least a little more interesting than your uncle's fishing stories, do me a favor, hit that like button, subscribe for more weirdly educational rants, and share this video with that one friend who swears Tesla is untouchable. We all know that guy. Thanks for hanging out, and catch you in the next one. Oh, and next time your GPS says, turn left, maybe just double check that it's not leading you straight into a swamp. Later.